Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where do you think you're going? Hang on! Almost there, buddy, almost there. Looking sharp, Toothless. So what do you think, bud? Bring her home by sundown at the latest. No, save it for your girlfriend. So, what should we name it? Itchy armpit it is. What's gotten into you? What is all this slobbering and panting?
Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery. What did I just say? Sorry. That's my fault. Yeah, I'm on it. What? Oh, all right. You do know it's not a chew toy, don't you? Is this what you want? Oh, do you want this leg? Do you want my leg? Yeah, go get it.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo?
Now get me down.
Toothless, down, gently. See? Nothing to be afraid of. Whoa! This is amazing! No longer amazing! Toothless! Oh no! Oh! Woohoo! Man, almost! We just about had it that time. Oh, what is wrong with you? Backtracking. He said he's not usually like this. Oh no. Oh, what? I'm in my house. You're in my house. My dad know you're here? Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah, you wouldn't hurt a one-legged. Oh, you're right. You win. Oh, hey, it's really nice to finally...
Now you can make those tight turns.
Did you know about this?
No, someone hasn't slept.
Yeah, well, that light fury won't let me within a mile of her. And neither of us will be getting any sleep or finding the hidden world until Toothless takes over. Hey! Toothless, what are you doing? We need her to like us! And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile. I'm actually the one who shot him down. It's okay, though. He got me back. Right, bud? You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even. So, peg leg. It wasn't your fault, bud. They made you do it. You'd never hurt him. Dad! No! You'd never hurt me. Please, you are my best friend, bud.
He's down! Oh, and it's ugly! Dragons and Vikings! Enemies again! Locked in combat to the bitter! Oh. Hey, I am glad to see you too, bud!
He's not gonna eat your father.
Gotta walk about, Jesus. Do you trust me, bud? We can do this. You and me. As one.
My best friend.
Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan? This is. Save him.
He's challenging the Alpha to protect you.
I'm good.
Bro, you okay?
I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro. I'm good.
Bro.
Bro, get home. No.
Come on, we should be getting back.